Hello students, today we are going to discuss a question related to magnetic properties. In this question, we'll try to finish this topic related to magnetic nature. Whether a compound, a substance will be paramagnetic in nature means can be magnetized temporarily or not. If not magnetized temporarily, then will be known as diamagnetic. So what paramagnetic are? Paramagnetic are those substances which can be magnetized temporarily and which can't be are called dimagnetic substances. Now see, paramagnetic substances are those, what I have said, which can be magnetized temporarily, are called paramagnetic. And the second definition related to this paramagnetic is those species which are having unpaired electrons will always be magnetized temporarily and will be known as paramagnetic. Third, those species which are having unpaired electrons will be having certain value of magnetic moment, and since they are having certain value of magnetic moment, means can be magnetized temporarily and will be known as paramagnetic. This is all related to paramagnetic nature of any substance. What about dimagnetic? In diamagnetic substances can't be magnetized temporarily, can't be magnetized temporarily. First thing. Second, unpaired electrons won't be there, means all electrons will be paired. See how mathematically you can decide whether unpaired electrons are there or not. See, if odd number of electrons any species is having will always be paramagnetic in nature. You know, 1, 3, 7, 5, 9, all these are odd number of electrons and can't be paired, so will always be paramagnetic in nature. But if paired electrons are there, then can be paramagnetic or can be dimagnetic. But odd can't be dimagnetic. And their magnetic moment will always be equal to 0 bm. Their magnetic moment will always be equal to 0 bm. Now see there in this question, this is tribromo octa oxide, that is Br3. This is Br3O8. Oxygen atoms involved to 3 bromine atoms will be 8 in number. See here, because of this oxygen, this is -2, this is -2, this is -2. So because of these 3 oxygen atoms, each one will be carrying -2 charge. This Br will become 6 plus. Because of this Br will be having 0 charge. Because of this Br will be having 0 charge. Always N atom bonding, OO atom bonding will be having -1 charge. OO bonding, that is called peroxide bonding, will always be minus charge. Other than that, OO bonding, Br, NN, PP, SS will always be having sorry, 0 charge. So because of this Br will be having 0 charge. This is -2, this is -2, this Br, because of this Br and because of this Br will be having 0 charges. So this Br will be having 4 plus charge. What about this Br? This is 6 plus, this is 2 minus, this is 2 minus, this is 2 minus. So again, this Br will be having 6 plus charge. So here, these 3 Br, this Br will be having 6 plus, this Br will also be having 6 plus, and this Br will be having 4 plus charge. So charges, that is oxidation number, we have mentioned here related to this Br atoms. Now see, what about the atomic number of this Br. This Br is 35. This Br is 35. This Br is 35. So electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 18, 7. This is odd number. So this number of atom is odd and atomic number, or you can say valence electrons, are odd. So odd into odd will always be having odd number of electrons. Will always be having odd number of electron. This oxygen is having even number of electrons. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Its electronic configuration will be 2, 6. So you can take either 8 or you can take 6. Both are even numbers. So even into even, this oxygen is having atomic number 8 and total number of atoms of this oxygen also here is 8. So even into even will be even. Now see, odd number plus even number. Odd number plus even number will always be odd and will always be paramagnetic in nature. So answer for this question, magnetic nature of tribromo octoxide Br3O8 will be paramagnetic in nature. Will be paramagnetic in nature because it is having odd number of electrons. So this is having odd number of electron, this is having even number, and if you add an odd number and an even number, you will get an odd number. And whenever there is odd number of electrons are there, whenever there is odd number of electrons is there, that species will always be paramagnetic in nature. Thank you very much.